Hi guys, it's Troll Kid the Best Gamer. Troll Kid the Best Gamer, I meant. We have this giant TNT block. We freaking did it, guys. Finally made a giant TNT block. So down here, look at all this TNT. All of this TNT. And it's done raining. Let's get the TNT block. And let's blow this sucker up. First, look around. How beautiful this TNT really is. Woo-wee, woo-wee, woo-wee. And let's blow it up. Get it. Bang, bong, screw the redstone. I'd rather go to levers. You know, we're much quicker right here. Let's get it, guys. Oh my god! It's lagging. Oh! Oh my god, it's lagging, guys. I'm sorry, guys. The game's lagging. It killed a freaking dog. No! Let's just see the explosion. Woo-wee! Woo! Woo! Thanks you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe all my trolls. Bye.